3D printing is quite well known for the potential benefit of customization and personalization, but really much more important to us and the benefits we want to target also include all the design freedom, where you can rethink how you design and produce a part, as well as in the long run, in our opinion, some cost advantage, including the reshoring, bringing the production, the lightweight, and also using then much less material to produce the part. So those would be the three benefits that I would see for 3D printing.
The takeaway from all of this is that additive has gone from the hype cycle to being another manufacturing technology. It's gone to a place where it should be used to solve hard problems, valuable problems, just like any other technology. And now it's about bringing the right players to the table. It's about leveraging trusted companies and experts. And it's really, I would say, about finding the right problems to solve.